Starting from the back of the Kayaks to Fish Orca Kronos kayak, we've installed the anchor trolley kit. 2 self-tapping screws into a pad eye, looped into a bungee cord. Bungee cord keeps the tension nice and tight on the anchor trolley kit, so it's not a lot of slack in the water. Also absorbs a lot of the impact when using the anchor trolley kit. Moving down towards the midsection of the kayak, 1 pad eye installed horizontally. This is to allow the top line of the anchor trolley kit to feed through smoothly. Moving further to the front of the kayak, to the bow, pad eye again looped into a D-ring shackle attached to the pulley system. The rope gets fed through here, through the pulley system, fed back down into where the anchor would be fed through. 2 red balls on either end prevents the anchor trolley from damaging the kayak when you pull it all the way to the end, like so. And when you pull it to the other side, oh, 2 things got caught. When you pull it to the other side, stops it at the end right there. Anchor would be normally in the water, like so. When you're positioned, loop yourself around this bracket. In the water. That's going to prevent the anchor trolley from moving anywhere while being used. Thanks guys.